Okay, now I'm gonna introduce the way we play our products. And during playing our product, you need to do first is to press the reset button. And when you press the reset button, you will get the question number 1. And then you need to remember it. Remember these LED patterns and press send button to get question number 2. And when you enter in the question number 2, there are 2 things you need to do. The one is you need to remember the question number 2's pattern, and another thing is you need to answer the question 1 LED pattern with the button. And with the button, you play the send. You press the send button, and the program will verify if your answer is equal to question number 1. And if yes, you come to question number 3. And the same thing you need to do is you remember question number 3 and answer the pre-pattern of the LED pattern. Like its answer number 2 is equal to question number 2 is this. And so you need to remember all the pre-pattern and answer in the next question. And at the same time, you remember the new LED patterns. Okay, now we do it. And for introduce, I will turn off the time function first. And the time function is that you need to answer all the question in 10 seconds. If you thinking or you forgot the pattern more than 10 seconds, then the progress will display you lose. Okay. Now we first press the reset button, and you remember the pattern on the LED sides, like this 0, 2, 4, 6, and 9. Okay, and you press the send button. That will get a 1 point. And now you need to remember the question 2 is LED 1, 3, 5, and 7. But at the same time, you need to use button to answer the pre-pattern of LED. Is question number 1. It is 0, 1, 4, 6, and 9. Okay, is the pre-pattern of the LED. And now remember it. Remember this LED pattern because you need to answer it in the next question. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, and you press the send button, and you will get 2 points. And now enter the pre-pattern. And remember, now the LED pattern is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, and you press send. Okay, now the send 2, 4, 6, 8. You remember this 0, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, press, and you can play it for 999 points at max. But if you answer the wrong answer, like the pre-pattern of the LED is 0, 3, 5, 7, 9, but now I press the wrong answer with the button, and you press send, and the system will say you lose. And you play send again, you can get your score of this time. Okay, and you press the reset button, and you can play again. Okay, we set the time function in the process. So now if you answer more than 10 seconds, or you forget it, that you think more than 10 seconds, the system will display you lose. Okay, and you play the reset button and remember the LED pattern and play send and answer the pre-pattern and remember the pattern now and answer the pre-pattern and remember the pattern now. You answer the pre-pattern and remember the now pattern as fast as you can. Okay, now if we pretend I forgot the pattern last, or pretend I'm thinking at more than 10 seconds, and the system will, if time is more than 10 seconds, the system will display you lose and your score in turn. Okay.